I know that buying an iPhone nowadays costs nearly as much as your monthly salary, but what if I told you there's a way to make that money back? Hey there, my name is Mr. FOMO, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make some extra cash with your iPhone. Now, I know what you're thinking, there's no way I can make money from my phone. But trust me, this is a method that actually works, and I'm going to show you how it's done. So stay tuned and let's get started. 1. Download the app, Field Agent. Looking for a way to make some extra money? There's an app for that. Field Agent allows you to earn cash by completing simple tasks on your iPhone. That's right, you can make money simply by using your phone. Just download the app and start accepting assignments. Most tasks only take a few minutes to complete, and you'll be paid directly through the app. So what are you waiting for? Download Field Agent today and start earning cash on the go. 2. Complete short tasks, like taking pictures of a store display or checking the price of an item. If you're like most people, your iPhone is always within reach. And what do you use it for? Checking Facebook, scrolling through Instagram, watching cat videos on YouTube. The list goes on. But what if you could also use it to make a little extra money? There are a number of app-based companies that will pay you to complete short tasks, like taking pictures of a store display or checking the price of an item. The pay isn't great, but it can be a nice way to make some extra cash if you find yourself with a few spare minutes here and there. And since you're already carrying your iPhone around with you, there's no additional gear to lug around or equipment to learn how to use. So if you're looking for a way to make a little extra money, why not give task-based iPhone apps a try? You might be surprised at how much fun, and money, you can. 3. Get paid via PayPal within 48 hours. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to get paid, then PayPal is the way to go. With PayPal, you can get paid within 48 hours, and all you need is an iPhone. With PayPal, you can request a payment from anyone in the world, and all you need is their email address. You can also use PayPal to buy things online, and it's quick, easy, convenient, secure, free. So if you're looking for a quick and easy way to get paid, then PayPal is the way to go. 4. Download the app, Survey Junkie. If you want to make your money back from purchasing the new iPhone, then I highly recommend downloading the Survey Junkie app. It's available for both iPhone and Android devices, and it's totally free to use. Just create an account and start completing surveys to earn rewards. You can cash out your earnings through PayPal or choose to receive gift cards for popular retailers like Amazon or Walmart. I've personally been using Survey Junkie for several months now, and I've earned over $200 in rewards. The surveys are very straightforward and only take a few minutes to complete. And the best part is that you can do them anywhere, anytime. Even if you're just waiting in line at the grocery store or taking a break at work. So if you're looking for an easy way to pad your bank account, then I definitely recommend giving Survey Junkie a try. 5. Take surveys and get paid for your opinions. If you're like most people, you probably spend a fair amount of time on your iPhone. And if you're like most iPhone users, you've probably been interrupted by a pop-up asking if you wanted to take a survey in exchange for a chance to win a prize. You may have thought to yourself, who has time for that? Or, I don't want to waste my time. But what if I told you that there was a way to get paid for your opinions? Sites like Survey Junkie will pay you cash for taking surveys on everything from your favorite products to your biggest pet peeves. And the best part is that it only takes a few minutes to complete a survey. So why not make some extra money by sharing your opinions? It's easy, and it's fun. 6. Upload your receipts to the app, Ibotta, for cash back on groceries. iPhone users rejoice. You can now upload your receipts to the app, Ibotta, for cash back on groceries. That's right, no more scanning barcodes or taking pictures of products. Simply upload a picture of your receipt and Ibotta will do the rest. This new feature is available for iPhone users only, so if you're not using an iPhone, you're missing out. But don't worry, you can still use Ibotta to earn cash back on groceries by taking advantage of exclusive offers and rebate opportunities. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for Ibotta today and start saving money on your groceries. Field Agent and Survey Junkie are great apps to make some extra money in your free time. Ibotta is also a fantastic way to get cash back on groceries, something we all have to spend money on. If you found this information helpful, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching.